Meaning of fartlek.
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 Fartlek. Fartlek is a Swedish term that means speed play in English. It's a type of training used primarily by runners and involves varying the intensity and duration of your workout. Rather than following a set workout routine, fartlek workouts are more flexible and adjust to the individual needs of the athlete. This type of training can improve overall fitness, increase endurance, and aid in weight loss. Fartlek workouts also have mental benefits, as they can help athletes learn to push through discomfort and increase mental toughness.